Now coming to question number 4 of your exercise 13.3. Read this question. This question we have already discussed in ninth class, the same question. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly around it. A well. This is ground. A well is the shape of cylinder. A well in diameter is 3 meter, means this is given 3 meters, and depth is given 14 meters, means this thing is given 14. Whatever the earth taken out, whatever the sand that is taken out of it is spread evenly around it, means on this portion it will not be there, because the mouth of the well is there. It is spread like this. The earth taken out is spread around the well. I am shading that portion. It is spread evenly on this portion. Means whatever the volume of earth is taken out, it is spread evenly on this. Actually, this is the shape of hollow cylinder. This shape that you are getting, this is the shape of hollow cylinder. And the width means this thing is given to be, what is this given? 4 meters. 4 meter from this side, 4 meter from this side, and this was given 3 meter. Now we have to find the height of this, means this height we have to find. Actually height is also here also, so h1, h2, h2 we have to find. Let's do this question. What is the well? Volume of well will be volume of cylinder. This will be equal to, what shape is it? Hollow cylinder. Volume of hollow cylinder. Now formula for cylinder volume, pi r square h. Actually here also we are having r, and from this also we are going to get r. Let r1 be the radius of cylinder, that is 3 upon 2 meters, and r2 this radius from here to here. Complete is 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 4 11. So this thing, the diameter is 11, so radius will be 11 upon 2 meters. So this is r1 r2. For cylinder we are using r1 is equal to volume of hollow cylinder, pi h r2. R2 is the bigger one, so r2 square minus r1 square. It is up to you which radius you are taking bigger. You can take r1 as well as r2. Pi cancels with pi. Now put the value. R1 is 3 upon 2 square. Height is 14. This is for the well. Here height we have to find. So this we have taken h1, h2. h2 we have to find. R2 is 11 upon 2 square minus 3 upon 2 square. This is 9 upon 4 into 14 is equal to h2 121 upon 4 minus 9 upon 4. 9 upon 4 into 14 is equal to h2. Solving it, you will get 112 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 28. So h2 will be equal to 9 into 14 upon 4 into this 28. 14 ones are 14 twos are. So answer is 9 upon 8 meters, or we can say 1.125 meters. So this was question number 4. This question I think all of you must have done this in your previous class as well. Now coming to question number 5. What does question number 5 says? Question number 5 says a container shaped like a right circular cylinder. Means a container is there in the shape of right circular cylinder of diameter 12 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter. is full of ice cream, and this container contains ice cream, and this ice cream is to be filled in the cones. This ice cream is to be filled in various number of cones like this. The ice cream is to be filled in the cone with a hemispherical shaped top, like this is also there. So there are many cones that will be formed. We have to find the number of cones that can be in which the ice cream can be filled. So you know this ice cream is going to be in the cone. So volume of ice cream here will be equal to volume of ice cream in the cone. What is information given to us about cone? That height of the cone is 12 centimeter. Here we have h1, this is h2. Radius is given, this is r1, r2. Radius of the cone is given. The diameter is given, so radius will be 3 centimeter. Here radius will be 6 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the volume. Here we have volume of cylinder. This will be equal to, here we have a combination of two solids. On the bottom we have a cone, on the top we have a hemisphere. So volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. This is the volume of one cone. What we have to find the number of cones. So multiplying it with n. N means the number of cone. Volume of cylinder is pi r1 square h1 is equal to volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r2 square h2 plus volume of hemisphere 2 upon 3 pi r2 cube into n. Pi r1 square h1. Anything common from these two? What we have? Pi common, and upon 3 common. What we are left with? r2 square h2. r2 square is also common. So h2 here we are left with h2 plus